The trees here.
Full of snow. We can sit outside and have.
This is a bit dangerous. Oh my god, look at those mountains.
And snow behind.
So avoid such areas.
Looking like a snowfall.
It got punctured.
-3 degree. Kubra. This is the view from our hotel.
Il Forno. Full city is covered with snow, black forest.
A good day to all my lovely viewers. Welcome to a beautiful day from Manali, the backpackers hideout and the honeymoon destination in Himachal Pradesh. Let's see how the morning looks like today. Come on. See guys, it's -3 degree. It's already 10 a.m. When we woke up to this amazing view from here, full of snow. It was snowing actually. Still we can see some snowdrops falling down and our bike is completely drenched in snow. Don't know how to remove those ice and how we can travel today, no idea. This is what travel makes, and this is what is kept for us, full of suspense, full of thrills and full of new experience. Go down and see how is it really looking like. This view you can't even imagine in your dreams. Very amazing feel. You have to experience directly, guys. See the snow drizzling, the snow oozing out from the trees. It is really great to see this. I don't know what I'm feeling right now. This is the view from our hotel. Let's go down now. Oh my god, look at this. This is black, guys. We have to be very careful while stepping into this because you might skid. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at those mountains. Look at our bike. Tip number 8. So when you are in such terrains and if you are in extreme cold condition, make sure you start your engine on and keep it for at least some 5 to 10 minutes so that it will get enough heat, because our machine also need heat like us. Hope you remember while renting out the bike I said they were not recommending Himalayan. The reason is they said they don't have Himalayan coming with kickstart. They have only that press button. I'm not sure if Himalayan doesn't come with that option, or is it that the bike which they have doesn't have that option. So if you know that, please comment on the comment box. That is why we went for Classic 350, and while coming from Mandi, it was not starting initially. We had to do lot of kick starting. That's why I said do kickstart in the morning. Make sure that your engine is warmed up and then go for your ride. Today we are not sure how we will go, so let's see how things are happening. You can see Mount Himalayas from here. Full of snow. Not only Himalayas, the hotel where we are staying, the houses here, the trees here, auto rickshaw. Right now it is not snowing. It is because of the snowing that happened earlier. It is like this. But you can see the snow falling from the trees. That itself is looking like a snowfall. I wanted to go below some tree and shake it so that it fall on me. Getting excited to see the snow. Forgot to have breakfast. It's already 10, so let's go and have the breakfast. We have cut fruits, pancake, sambar, idli, vada, stuffed paratha, chutney, plain curd, boiled eggs, masala omelette, etc. If required, We can sit outside and have the breakfast. See, they have arranged tables here. So that is also a good experience. But for now, we will sit inside and have. Pancake is very tasty, guys. Too good. Some kiwi juice. Very tasty. Very good. Not like fresh mango. I think they've used some flavor. Who will have juice and tea together? I will have. Will you have? Juice, tea, and snow behind. Nothing else can beat it. And this is the omelette boy. I'm not sure how many omelettes he had taken today.
Dears, we are starting our trip. You can see how beautiful it is. Full city is covered with snow. Tell me, how are you feeling to see this? Write in comment box. Let me know how amazing you guys are feeling to see this video from Manali. The snow covered Manali. We'll not explore a lot today because we already started late and it won't be really safe to go far today. And we can't go fast also. See, the bike is skidding. Never go through this black ice. You will tend to skid. Getting to see Manali like this is a real bliss. This is a real adventure, guys. What a visual treat, guys. I'm sure you are also liking it. You are also enjoying with us. Wow. Look at the beautiful. The snow capped. It is not snow capped now. It is a full snow mountain. The full mountain is covered with snow. The entire town is looking like some black forest. Traffic is also heavy. So this is the main Manali town. Oh my god, how many tourists are there? Look at the traffic block here. I think everyone are in Manali. There is this museum here, Tribes India, the art and soul of India. So you can understand the tribal communities, their different handicrafts, etc. See, the snow is still falling. And poor car, it got punctured. This is black ice. If you travel through this, your vehicle is more likely to skid. So avoid such areas. Fresh snow is also fine, but this is a bit dangerous. Look at the view! Woohoo! Superb! Hidimba temple. There are so many shops here. We can wear traditional Manali dress and take pictures. And some people were selling saffron, pure fresh saffron. I'm not removing helmet because it's drizzling. Rain and snow both. Nice necklace, bangles. See, the ground itself is covered with snow. See yak. How people are clicking pictures on yak. You can see the Hidimba temple here. Hidimba temple is dedicated to Hidimba Devi, wife of Bhima. There is one more deity, Khadolkaja. He is a son of Devi Hidimba. One great speciality of this temple is this wooden architecture. It looks really beautiful. The traditional temple here. To try out the traditional dress wear of Manali, here they are charging only 50 rupees. After coming back from Hidimba temple, we came to this Italian restaurant, Il Forno. Let's see how it is. So having hot tea and hot pizza, chicken pizza from Il Forno. Nice environment friendly plates. Actually, this cafe is also resembling the architecture of Hidimba temple. Tip number 9. When you are planning your itinerary, make sure you check the weather forecast. Especially in these kind of snow areas, or whether it is a rainy area, wherever you go, better to see the weather forecast. Even for us, no, yesterday when we checked, we knew today it is going to be 100% snowfall, so we didn't plan for any long ride itinerary. So that is what I'm saying. Please check the weather forecast before planning your itinerary. Now we came to the Buddhist Gompa. This is a Buddhist monastery and was built by the Tibetans. So let's go and see, and let's have some spirituality inside. Look at the snow. It has become like a skating ground.
we could go inside. It was such a spiritual feel. There were some murals that actually denotes the preaching of Buddha on non-violence. We cannot touch the prayer bell because I think because of COVID, it is restricted right now. How was your first visit to monastery?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, he said it was good. Show no.
Awesome.
क्या है?
Kubran.
हाँ?
Kubran.
Kubra. Kubra. अच्छा है ना? For couple, they are charging 200. Anyways, I tried Shimla traditional attire. Now we are trying Manali traditional attire. So, let's go inside the mall road, the famous mall road of Manali. See how many tourists are here now. Everyone have come to spend some nice time in the view of Himalayas. Himalayas being the backdrop for the mall road. Let's buy something for our parents, brother, sister, etc. And our little cute nephew, Appus. Look at this beautiful temple. Look at the architecture. How nice it is. Jai Ma Durga Temple. This and all is 150. And mask 50 rupees. Oh my god, I'm really confused what all we have to buy. But we are getting only those which are really something related to Shimla or Manali. We have this hobby of collecting fridge magnet wherever we go. How many of you have similar hobby? Do comment in the comment box. There is a belief in Tibetan culture that is if you put this onto your house, you will get lot of luck. It's very cute also, right?
We need some luck.
He's saying we need some luck, it seems. This is nice, right? Silver Buddha and all.
और ऐसे सिल्वर में आएगा तो 100 का और ऐसे आएगा तो 150 का.
I got this cap and it is very comfortable as it covers ear properly. See? And I got this braid also. Here also. So funny, right? Crazy people. So we are going for dinner, Mount View's Noodles. We came to this Mount View's Noodles restaurant. I think in the daytime, from here it will be an amazing view. We had ordered chicken sizzlers and it is tasting really amazing. French fries, the salad, the chicken in that, everything together, the noodles, everything together is really tasty. So you can definitely come here and try it out in this restaurant. Yes, time to end up today's beautiful vlog from Manali. Hope you loved the snow experience. We didn't go to many of the tourist spots, but then we had a lovely day out. So tomorrow I will go to many other tourist spots which you guys are waiting for sure. So until then, sign off for today. Wait for my next vlog. As always, I'm sure if you have not subscribed yet, you will subscribe to my channel Anjudhi Vlogs. Provide all your comments in the comment box. See you soon. Bye.